We have had a ton of rain in the last several weeks in California, so I'm here checking out the trailer to make sure we don't have any leaks. Everything looks good so far. Haven't found anything other than, for some reason, we do not have power in here. We can't figure that out. He's looking right now to see what that's all about. We had to use the hand crank to get the jack up so we could move the trailer with the trailer dolly. So at first look, we thought that someone had cut our wire to our battery, but now we see that the batteries are underwater and all the lines are corroded off the terminals. That one's probably going to be the same. Our jack wouldn't work, so we had to use the hand crank. Well, same story. Okay, so I had to go home and get supplies so that he could make the repairs that he needed to make. But basically what's happened is that water got in the battery box times 2. We have 2 battery boxes. The water got in it, flooded the batteries, and with it sitting in water, it popped fuses and it rotted the connections to the batteries. So when we got here, the jack would not work. The jack was fine 2 weeks ago when we were here. The electric jack. It was fine 2 weeks ago. So it happened in the last 2 weeks. But yeah, so now he's repairing it so that we have power back in the trailer. Because at this point, the jack doesn't work. There's no power coming to the trailer. And I don't know if you can hear it, but of course it's raining again too. So he's out in the pouring rain, fixing it. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear it? Okay, we've got power back. One battery's okay, one battery is trash. This one that's in right now is okay. But the other one we're taking home, it's trash. So, this is a continuation of our battery box that was full of water. There were no holes in it, apparently. Are there now?
That one doesn't have any drill.
This one does not have one yet. He's going to drill it. That's why it filled full of water and ruined the battery. The battery ended up shorting out. So this is a new battery. Now we're going to put this box back on the trailer and pull off the other one and drill holes and check its battery. So now we need to take a look at the connection box under the trailer because we've got corrosion coming out of it.
Frame rail doesn't look bad.
Frame rail, he said the frame rail looks good, but the connection box might have a problem. So that's what we got going on. So he's removed the gang box and now he's going to be repairing the wires. Some of them got a little messed up from the corrosion, so he's going to fix that. So what are you doing now?
We're going to rewire all the battery cables. to the circuit breaker and to the batteries.
We've replaced the circuit breaker, the batteries.
Circuit breaker, replaced all the connectors that were inside the connection box in here.
And we've got a new on-off for the power, but I don't know.
That was my temporary cable, or my temporary connection that day. Kind of stripped out. See?
Yeah.
Untightened. I bought this tool eons ago when I was doing car stereos. Never thought I'd have to use it again. It'll get handled. Bolt it down, and then I'll try and maneuver it. Because I think... No explosions, no sparks. Oops, missed.
So he put that on there so that hopefully we don't have any more corrosion problems.
And look, for more wires hanging.
Yep. All the damage is fixed that was caused by the blowing of the battery.
Flooding of the batteries.
And all the wires are tucked up, which they never were when we bought it. All those wires before were dangling under the trailer, so he's tidied that up.